Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Apple Watch Universe here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to use widgets on your iPhone. So if you guys don't know what widgets are, there is widgets when you swipe left on your iPhone, just like this. So once you're here, you might see some things that you've never seen before. So what you want to do is scroll down. To edit these, scroll all the way down and click on Edit. Once you're there, you'll see a list of the apps you have and more widgets. So you might see the default ones here at the top, like weather, etc. So you can add widgets just like any widget you would ever want. So I keep on batteries on the top. So to add one, just click underneath more widgets, click add. It's the plus sign, and to take it out, hit the minus sign. So these are in order. So as you can see, it goes batteries, sub count. If I click done, batteries will be at the top, sub count will be the second one. So there are some useful ones like sub count. I can see my subscriber count for YouTube right here. Then you can go to Siri app suggestions, and those are apps that you used in the past, and it'll show you which ones are suggested for you to use. So then there are more like calendar. If you have events you need, click it, and then right at the bottom you can see your calendar events. So then you can take out the ones you don't want, or you can move calendar up, move any of them up or down. So if I want calendar above activity, I can put it right there. Then when you go to activity, above is calendar. So then all you want to do, if you want to take out some, hit on the minus that you want to take out and click on remove. So this is all of your widgets. You can have a lot of them. Some of them aren't as useful as others, but they are useful to have just so then you wouldn't have to go into apps to see some of the details. And it's always when you swipe left. So if I turned off my phone, which I can't right now because this is a screen recording, you could turn off your phone and on your screen, right when you turn it on, swipe left and this will show up. So on here, you can have a lot of useful things. You can have your Siri shortcuts, which are right here. There is a lot of them. And you can have your weather if you just want to take a quick look. Just swipe left. Your activity if you have an Apple Watch. Visual codes is an app I use. You can make your own QR codes. Your battery life, you can even click on these and it'll take you to the app. So if I wanted to see weather, you click on weather and brings me to the app. Then if you want to click on something like an app in here, you can go to the calculator. These are just some quick, really good shortcuts that you guys can use. And if you guys would like to minimize these, click on the little button right above the battery, just like that. And I'll minimize and maximize. They don't work for every widget, but they work for some of them. So if you guys are liking your widgets and you figured out how to use them, and come back to this video and leave a comment if you figure out that they do help you. And I hope you guys like this video. Please drop a like, click the like button, and subscribe to my channel. And I will have some of these videos every week being posted for you guys, just small tips on the iPhone. So, as I said before, if you like this video, please drop a like, subscribe, and comment if there's anything I didn't cover. Comment any other video ideas, or comment a good comment. And I'll see you guys in the next one.